Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am Catherine and welcome to my channel. If you are new, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you'll choose to subscribe, and if you already subscribed, thanks so much for being here. I have today an Ipsy mystery bag. I ordered this on, I think, Black Friday, and I've had it for a couple of days and I can't wait anymore. We have got to get in here and see what I've got. So let's do that. I thought that what I saw the picture of is what we were going to get, but I have since learned that several girls have received different things in this package, so I'm anxious to see what I got. Ooh, I have something on the outside, and it's a brush. Yay! And then here is the packaging. Oh, it is very silvery and pretty. It makes me think more like New Year's Eve than it makes me think Black Friday and Christmas, but it is pretty regardless. It is definitely going into my purse. That is a pretty bag. On the outside of it, we had right away this pretty, I think it looks like a Luxy brush, but it's purple, so let's see. It is a Luxy 237 blending brush, and that is what that looks like. I can always use another blending brush. Oh, this is nice. This one's one of the longer ones that's not so dense, so when you blend back and forth, you can really get some action out of it. I like those. Okay, so let's get into the bag and see what I've got. I'm just going to stay surprised. Let me see if there's any paperwork. It doesn't feel like there's any paperwork in here, so we will just move right in. And right away, I think this is different from the others that I've seen. I have an R & Co. Waterfall Moisture Shine Lotion, and that is what that looks like. I like, as a rule, the R & Co. products, especially the styling products. I like them a lot, so that is kind of nice. And it is a 0.5 fluid ounce, and it says to apply to wet hair and blow dry or let dry naturally. So it's going to give me more shine. Yay! Okay, next we have the sugar. I don't know what sugar, but it just says sugar on the front. And the back says Contour de Force Mini Highlighter 01 Champagne Champion. It's always good when I get 01 because my skin is so pale that I'm almost always 01 or 1. And that is what the front of this looks like. This was a $14 bag, as I recall. And this is what the inside looks like. And it is. It's just kind of a champagne. If I pulled it back here, do you get a truer color? A champagne color. There we go. It's very nice and light. It's got a nice swatch on it. Let's put it on the back. Oh, that is very nice. It doesn't, you know, I love a good pop of shine, but I don't like it when it has any glitter to it. That is just a nice bright shine. That's what I like in a highlighter. Next I have, trying to roll away from me. Ooh, fun. A Glow for a Cause Lip Love in Flirt. And it's coconut oil, sunflower oil, beeswax, not vegan, cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and aloe. So I guess Glow for a Cause is the color, and it is just, as you can see, it is just a pink lip balm. I can never have enough lip balms. I use them like crazy. I spent all day yesterday wrapping presents, and I lip balmed at the beginning, but I never thought of it again because you don't think I am down here licking my lips constantly, but apparently I was, because despite using my lip sleeping mask last night, I, for the first time in quite some time, have some seriously dry lips. I digress. Next I have What's the Tea? Oh, I've had this before. This is the Iced Tea Eyeshadow, and they say it's a cool shade. Yeah, I have had this exact color in an Ipsy box before, so I am going to set this aside for a giveaway, but it is the coolest. It's magnetic, and it is the cutest packaging, but I have had this exact color before, so I will save it for somebody else to try. And last but not least, I have the Pacifica Bronzed Rose. I think I've had this before too. I don't really mind because it gives me a chance to build up a good giveaway. This is the Bronzed Rose and Coconut Infused Blush and Bronzer. And I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. Because like I said, I have one and I actually use it because it is a good mix of colors. This is what it looks like. So you have your blush and your bronzer. This was like a $12 value, as I recall. So it basically covers the side. And the back, I'm going to show you really quickly. The back, whoop, is a mirror. So that's really cool. But I'm going to slide that right back into the packaging because somebody else can enjoy that because I've already got one. All right, so that was my Ipsy mystery bag that I got. I think it was on Black Friday for $14. And I got the Pacifica blush and bronzer, the R&Co Waterfall Shine Cream for your hair. And I really do like that product. I have absolutely tried it. The Glow for a Cause lip balm, which, like I said, I can always use another lip balm. A Luxy brush, a nice blender brush from Luxy. The What's the Tea, and that is in that nice iced tea shade. And I will also put that in a giveaway. And this really cute sugar, which I really like the shine that it gave. It's just your basic champagne colored highlighter, but it went on. Ooh. She's okay. It went on really creamy and there's no glitter to it. It's just smooth and shiny and perfect. So that was that bag. That was really nice. It's probably worth $14, especially with this in there because, oh my goodness. Let's check and make sure she's okay. It is probably worth $14 because, like I said, I think this alone is like a $12 product. She's fine too. I've got to go set all of this down before I drop it and break it all. Thank you so much for coming by the channel today, guys. I really appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit your notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Happy holidays, guys.